Hi everybody. Thanks for watching. My name's Farhad Sethna. I'm an immigration attorney in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. Now you may be asking, what's this immigration attorney doing here? No shirt, no tie, no coat. Let me tell you all. Ladies and gentlemen, it's COVID time. And because it's COVID time, I am going casual. I figured I'm not seeing clients in my office. You can't come see me because I'm scared of getting sick. You don't want to see me because you're scared of getting sick. So let's be casual. But even if we're casual, we can still bring you great information. And that's my goal here today, is to give you good information on Form I-944, the declaration of the alien that he or she is not a public charge. Now, what's Form I-944? It's a new form that USCIS created because President Trump decided he needed to screw the immigrants a little bit more. So what did he do? He came up with this great plan for immigrants to prove that they won't become a public charge. What's a public charge? A public charge is somebody who's going to take money from the government after they come to the USA. Maybe it's money for health care, maybe it's money for unemployment, or for food, or for housing, or some other public benefit. If you are a public charge, the US immigration law clearly says that you are inadmissible, meaning you cannot be admitted to the United States. So, Form I-944 requires the alien to prove that he or she is not going to be a public charge. What does the USCIS look at in Form I-944? They look at the alien's education, his or her employment history, the alien's age, whether the alien is making money, if so, how much money, whether that income is above the poverty line or below the poverty line, whether that income is more than 250% of the poverty line, which puts the alien in a much better situation, whether the alien has any health issues that may cause him or her to fall upon publicly funded health care. Ladies and gentlemen, the Form I-944 is a new form. It's come into play only effective February 24 of 2020. So any aid that the alien has received before February 24 of 2020 does not count in that form. Any aid received by the alien after February 24, 2020 does count. Therefore, it's very important to fill out this form correctly. But to fill out this form correctly, you have to understand the nuances of what the USCIS is looking for. That's where we come into play. That's where the Law Office of Farhad Sethna has created a rubric. What's a rubric? It's a table. What we've done is we've gone through the Form I-944, we've gone through the regulation, and we have created a table where we say, here's a criteria, here's what my client has. Does it match? It doesn't match. Okay, good. Let's move to the next criteria. Here's the criteria. Here's what my client has. Does it match? Is it a positive match? Yes, it is. Very good. We go on down that list of criteria. Positive, negative, heavily weighted positive, or heavily weighted negative. At the end of that analysis, we do a total. And we say, here's the positive numbers, here's the negative numbers. The positive outweighs the negative. Therefore, my client is eligible for a green card. Please, USCIS, issue a green card to my client. Now, in addition to the Form I-944, there's a plethora of other forms that are needed. On my website, immigration-america.com, is a new article I posted. That article is titled 78 Pages and $1,760. What does that mean? It means that right now, at the present time, June 9th of 2020, when I recorded this video, the total application package for a US citizen applying for his or her spouse, I use that as an example, is 78 pages of different forms, about 7 different forms. And the filing fee, $1,760 at current filing prices. Are you willing to make a mistake on even one page of one form out of these 78 pages and risk losing your $1,760? I don't think so. What if you make a mistake initially and they catch it and they send it back to you? Well, you've just lost all that time putting together that very strong and big application. What if they don't catch that mistake, they accept the application, they take your fee, you go to the interview, and then they say, aha, you messed up, you're not eligible for this benefit. Sorry, denied. Do you get your money back? No. Do you get any credit for the time that you spent putting in the application? No! Are you likely to be out of status because now you've spent months waiting for the USCIS to process your application and now it's been denied? Are you out of status? Absolutely, you're out of status. Ladies and gentlemen, would you take a risk like that? I know I wouldn't. I am saying this to you. We are here to help you. We've understood the process of the 944. We're able to do all the forms correctly. We're able to represent you at the interview. If you think you need help, come to us. We'll be there to help you. Here's how you can contact me. Call me 330-384-8000. That's my phone number. Email me fsethna. That's F for Foxtrot, Sethna, S-E-T for Tango, H-N-A, at immigration-america.com, or visit my website, immigration-america.com, and from my blog, send me an email. Pew! Farhad, this is what we need to do. Can you help us? We'll get back to you within 1 or 2 business days at the most, I promise. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. And let us take out all the mysteries of immigration law and help you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.